Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Today I will show you how to create a new Facebook account easily using your phone or browser. First, install the app and open it. Tap Create New Account at the bottom. Here, enter your first name and surname. Once done, tap Next. Add your birth date. Tap Set. Now tap Next. Add your gender, and once done, tap Next. Now add a mobile number or email. For this demo, we are going with our email address. Let me enter it. Once done, tap Next. So if you already have an account but lost your credentials, then simply tap Help me login. But for now, we are trying to create a brand new account, so tap Continue creating account. Here, create a strong password. Once done, tap Next. Agree to Facebook's terms and policy. Tap I agree. So here, Facebook might send you a code via mailbox or SMS. If prompted, enter the code to verify your account. You are now ready to add a profile photo, friends, and start sharing. For now, let's skip this one. And yes, that's it. Easy, right? If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.